If my feet are cleaner than yours, we have a problem. Okay? Just like we invest in good education, you need to invest in a good pedicure, and then we can talk.
Bad breath. If your mouth stink, I don't know, man. I don't know if I can do that. You just gonna be like, can't do that.
Teeth. If the teeth are, you know, scatta, then it could be a problem. Cause you know, you see it all. You see teeth all the time. You know, it's not something you can try to block out. But you know, I can't deal with that.
I know it sounds really weird, but like, I have to look at their hands, and if they bite their fingers,
For one thing, you have to believe in God. That's like number one. Ultimately, don't believe that's like immediately. Nope.
if you're biting your nails, your fingers look like booty fingers, like they're so short to like right here, and no, it's so dirty. It's so dirty, and like that just means you bite it a lot and your hands are gonna be smelling like spit.
I don't want to see you're in your early 30s and above, and then you have a cornrow. No. You're wearing a do-rag. No.
I don't have a fetish. It's just gotta look clean and taken care of, you know? Are her feet dirty?